Hello and welcome. We are a team of engineers and researchers here to present an innovative solution to one of the most urgent challenges in urban environment, that is the informal housing in rapidly growing cities. Today, we are focusing on one of the game-changing materials that can revolutionize how to build safer, affordable and sustainable housing in urban areas. Today, we'll talk about CLC concrete or cellular lightweight concrete. As we all know, as cities grows, they have informal settlements are expanding and they often lack proper infrastructure and safety features, especially in earthquake-prone zones. That CLC or cellular light concrete will be an affordable, economical, and sustainable solution. So let's explore how it works.
The biggest issue with the housing in the urban area is the use of inefficient and heavy building material, that is clay bricks and concrete blocks. These types of material increase the loads on the building, making them vulnerable to the seismic activities. It also leads to the high construction costs and energy inefficiencies. Our challenge is to replace these types of material with something that is not only safer and lighter but is more energy efficient and cost effective. Cellular lightweight concrete exactly does that. Let's take a deeper look into its benefits.
The lightweight concrete is an innovative material that is made by introducing air bubbles into concrete mix using foaming agent. This creates a lighter material, around 50% lighter than conventional concrete. Because of its reduced weight, CLC can be used with less reinforcement and lighter foundations, reducing the construction cost up to 25%. This makes it an ideal material for use in low-budget housing schemes and in regions with limited construction budget. CLC density varies between 1000 to 1100 kg per cubic meter, which reduces the overall weight of the structure and reduces the seismic forces by 60%. This makes it a perfect solution for use in seismic-prone areas. Another important feature of CLC is energy efficiency. Air bubbles present in CLC prevents thermal insulation, reducing heating and cooling costs by 30%. This is crucial in densely populated urban areas where energy consumption is a major concern.
As a mathematics student, I am particularly fascinated by the precision behind cellular lightweight concrete and how its structural performance can be optimized. CLC's air-entrained voids create a unique balance of strength and lightness, and we can use mathematical models to predict its behavior under different loading conditions, including seismic forces. These models help engineers design buildings that are not only strong and safe but also efficient in terms of material usage. Through advanced mathematical simulations and calculations, we can further refine the mixed design of CLC, adjusting the perfect balance between cost, strength, and insulation properties. This allows for the production of custom-tailored concrete for a variety of building needs, making it both adaptable and scalable for urban housing projects.
In any engineering solution, clear communication is essential for its success. As a BS English student, my role in this project is to ensure that the value of cellular lightweight concrete is communicated effectively to the both technical and non-technical audience. It's not just about explaining the science behind it, it's about making sure that everyone from local communities to the policymakers understands how CLC can transform urban housing. For those informal settlements, CLC represents more than just a building material, it represents safety, affordability, and the opportunity for a better quality of life. Through clear and accessible communication, we can make sure that the solution is adopted widely and benefits as many people as possible. Thank you.
Okay, so let's sum up in a way that cellular lightweight concrete is the future of urban housing. Its lightweight nature makes it ideal for earthquake-resistant building, while its thermal properties reduce energy consumption and improve living conditions. It's cost-effective, sustainable, and versatile, offering a solution that can scale to meet the needs of growing urban population. By using this type of infrastructure, we can replace traditional materials and contribute to high cost and safer structure instead of building homes that are not only affordable, safer, and energy efficient. An example of prototype of such construction is this. This is a cellular lightweight concrete structures and that have been built on the specific research, and it is implemented in different urban and rural areas of Pakistan. I thank you all.